Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this smart band. To force restart this smart band we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until we see the Huawei logo on the screen. It takes about 10 seconds, I would say. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the smart band is done rebooting. If you see this on the screen, you can press the side button to skip it, and as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.